Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the most in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The VGO-4 degrees Fahrenheit or above winter waterproof high-dexterity heavy-duty mechanic gloves. These gloves have been making waves in the market, and we're here to tell you why they are the best cold-weather tactical gloves you can get your hands on. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a moment to appreciate the visual appeal of these gloves. They come in a vibrant high-vis orange color, making sure you're not only protected but also easily noticeable. The orange lining adds a touch of style to these heavy-duty gloves. Now, let's get into the key features that set these gloves apart from the rest. First and foremost, these gloves are designed for versatility. They are ideal for a wide range of applications, including the auto industry, power tools, motorcycling, utility work, construction, logistics, and much more. Whether you're in the garage, on a construction site, or out in the wilderness, these gloves have got you covered. One of the standout features of these gloves is their 360 degrees breathable and waterproof design. They are cold-proof down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and feature a 5-layer structure that includes a waterproof but breathable TPU lining and 3M Thinsulate insulation. This ensures your hands stay dry and warm, even in the harshest of conditions. Safety is paramount, and these gloves don't disappoint. They come equipped with 3.5mm 3D structured PVC (TPR) patches on the back, extending to the fingertips, providing excellent impact protection. The soft and breathable goat leather palm is abrasion resistant and offers comfort and dexterity, reaching N388 level 2 under 600 circles. Plus, there's 2.5mm high dexterity neoprene padding on the palm, offering stereoscopic vibration resistance. In today's digital age, staying connected is crucial. These gloves feature touchscreen-capable thumb, index, and middle fingertips, allowing you to use your smartphone without taking them off. The 45 degrees angle cut at the finger junctions and pre-curved fingers ensure a tailored fit with amazing flexibility, breathability, and comfort. Hook and loop closures and wide elastic wrists prevent cold air from sneaking in and keep these mechanics gloves securely in place while you work. To keep these gloves in top-notch condition, it's essential to follow the maintenance instructions provided. No exposure to direct sunlight, store them in a ventilated and dry place, and avoid contact with alkaline substances. Keep them away from corrosive materials, fire, and heat sources to prevent deformation. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what users are saying about these gloves. Users have mixed opinions about these gloves. Some mention that they don't provide the best grip, are a bit slippery, and don't offer the maneuverability that was advertised. There are differing views on touchscreen functionality, comfort, fit, warmth, quality, water resistance, and value. It's essential to consider these factors based on your specific needs. In conclusion, the VGO-4 degrees Fahrenheit or above winter waterproof high-dexterity heavy-duty mechanic gloves are versatile and robust choice for those who need reliable hand protection in cold and challenging conditions. Their waterproof and impact-resistant features make them a valuable asset for various tasks. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with these gloves, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.